I'm making a 2-ingredient Pepsi cake mix cake. Oh, yum. I dropped my soda. Let's see if I can open it without splatting everything everywhere. Ooh, yay. I think that worked, or not. It is painting day and I need an easy cake for my boys. Yeah, you can use a mixer. I'm just using a spoon because I don't feel like getting the mixer out. Spray my pan. All right, we're gonna throw this in the oven and bake it. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Here it is out of the oven. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious. All right, got my chocolate frosting here. So now it's a 3-ingredient cake. So you can make it 2 or 3, however many you want to make it. If you don't want frosting, you could put Cool Whip or whipped topping on there if you want. Either of those would work really good. Okay, I crumbled it to death, but that is delicious. I snuck a little piece. I'll have Mike taste test it in just a second. So Mike is eating his salad there, being such a good eater. I'm sorry, you gotta taste test.
I love cake. I love chocolate.
One bite and I'll take it away.
But it doesn't love me.
One bite, I'll take it away. So this is 2-ingredient cherry Pepsi cake.
Oops, that was just the frosting.
Oh.
No, the temptation.
I'm sorry. Pretty darn tootin' good.
Yes, this is going to be dessert after my salad.
Nope, I'm throwing it in the trash.
No.
No, I'm taking it to the trash.
That's so good.
Lemon bars with cake mix. I'm doing a whole bunch of recipes today, so I didn't clean out my bowl. I'm just going for it. So I got my cake mix. And an egg. And my vegetable oil. I always keep it in a little squirt bottle because it's easier. Which I need to refill. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this all up. All right, then you're gonna take a 9 by 13 pan that is ungreased. And you're just going to push this all into my pan. All right, we're gonna bake this for 15 minutes. Okay, got my base out. We're gonna let this cool and then we're gonna make our filling. So, I just realized I totally messed up the recipe because I am Tara and that is what I do. All right, so I was supposed to hold back 1 cup of the cake mix that I had already mixed together for a topping. Oops. Okay, so this is why you guys love me in spite of myself. So I am going to just forge on, and what I'm going to do is make just my own topping, because I mean it's just the typical topping that you put on what do you call it, like coffee cake. So I'm just gonna make that, so you'll know how to do it if you do the same thing. I am sorry, I am Tara. Okay, then my lemon juice. Normally, I don't have lemons on hand. I just happen to have lemons on hand. And I use the True Lemon packets. I love these things. These are the best invention ever. I will link them in the description below for you. But normally, that's what I use. All right, now my sugar. And we're going to mix this together. Oh my goodness, I can see how that's going to be delicious. Okay, since I messed up, I am going to take 1 cup of flour and, oh, I don't know, 1/4 cup of sugar, rest of the sugar. This is why you guys love me. Now, I would put this in there, but because I have my lemon, oops, I forgot. I got it. Oh, I'm tired. This is like my 6th video today, and while I'm feeling good, when I have good days, for those of you who don't know, I have chronic fatigue syndrome and fibromyalgia. When I have a good day, I try to film as much as possible, because then most days I don't feel good. So this way I can still keep content going. Of course, if you've noticed, I have had a long break in my content because, well, I just ain't been feeling it, guys. I'm sorry. I just ain't been feeling it. Okay, so then I'm going to add some butter just to hold it together. Now, if you follow the recipe on the website, it will tell you to reserve 1 cup of the 1 cup of the base mix, flour of the cake mix. But since I forgot, this is what I'm doing. Part of this is to show you guys how to fix your mistakes. By the way, if you want a darn tootin' good lemon bar, right here, Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 1, my original recipe for lemon bars. Absolutely love them. This is just an adaptation using cake mix and cream cheese. Okay, I don't think that's quite enough butter. So I'm gonna add just a titch more, just to make it more crumbly. Crumbles should look like, for your cake mixture, I know that that's, you know, good enough. So here we go. All right, I have my mixture here, and I'm going to put my cream cheese mixture on. Whoops, almost dropped the bowl. My hands are hurting from my fibromyalgia. Okay. Sometimes you just gotta take a deep breath and keep on baking. I'm almost done. All right, there we go. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious. Yum. Okay, then we're gonna take our topping, crumble it on top. Okay, now we're gonna go and bake this again, and then we'll see if I did okay. Okay, here is my lemon bars. Oh, yum. I will get one of the guys in here and have them taste test.
These look amazing.
They're lemon bars.
Wow, yum.
Lemon, cream cheese lemon bars.
Did you already get the picture?
I did. So
Cream
we're
cheese
just
lemon bars.
going for the taste test now.
Mmm.
Are they good?
Mmm.
Yay!
Man, this is extra good.
Yay!
I've had lemon bars before. These are a little different than the other lemon bars.
Cream cheese.
I like it that they kind of have the crunchiness and the brown crust thing on the, oh, yum. It's delicious.
Yay. Making a banana bread in my crock pot. Got my cake mix and my water, vegetable oil, and my eggs. And then my very ripe bananas. Now, if you don't have a cake mix, you can use our Dining on a Dime Volume 1 banana bread. Volume 2, the blue one, has variations on banana bread. But my original banana bread recipe is in Volume 1. I will link the recipe in the description below for both, but my banana bread is one of the top that people absolutely love. Got my spray oil. We're going to take our banana bread, pour it in. Just mix in that little bit of powder. There we go. Up to 40% off all of our print books and ebooks at livingonadime.com for our Christmas in July sale. Easy recipes to get you in and out of the kitchen quick, your family will love. Then we're going to place a paper towel or a regular dish towel over your crock pot and put the lid on. We are going to bake this in the crock pot. Okay, got my banana bread and I think it's done. I'm going to stick my knife in. Yep, nice and clean. Okay, who wants to test banana bread in the crock pot? Now, you can frost this, but I'm not going to frost this one. Okay, so Jack wants to be my taste tester. Now this Jack wants to be my taste tester, but this is super hot. Can you record me while I'm getting a piece out? So my spatula is in the dishwasher. So get it cut. Okay. This is very hard to do without a spatula. Okay, there we go. Ooh, 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 that looks delicious. Okay, we're gonna run over and get a plate. Okay, I won't show your face.
All right, let us see.
He paused his game to do this, to be here.
Yep. Is it fine if I eat this with my fingers?
Yes. You may eat it with your fingers.
Ooh, that's very good.
Is that delicious?
Yeah.
Now
That's
you can
really...
frost it with cream cheese frosting or white frosting if you want.
This would be good with cream cheese frosting. It's like really fluffy, actually.
Yay! Yummy, huh?
Yeah.